Class 6 IIT Mathematics. We'll go for algebraic expressions. So let us see types of algebraic expressions here. Right, an algebraic expression is a mathematical statement containing or combining with the symbol plus or minus. So here I'm writing some algebraic expressions: 6a, 7a plus b minus c, 4x plus 3y minus 2.
Today night I will send. If scolding us, thank you so much.
7a plus b minus c, 4x plus 3y minus 2. So these are the algebraic expressions. Generally, we denote with them capital ABC, capital ABC, capital ABC. Right? Among this, we can separate like terms according to the number of terms. We'll write monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. So monomial, an algebraic expression is having only one term. Binomial, let's have two terms, and trinomial, it might be having three terms. Multinomial, more than three terms. Okay, next. And degree. So degree of the monomial and then binomial will be different. Like, so degree we can say for the monomial, suppose 3x square y power 2 z power 7. This is the monomial. 3x square z power 7. This is the binomial. 3x square y power 3 z power 7. This is the trinomial. And degree becomes different than monomial and other terms. Like how means monomial will just add the powers. We add the powers. And binomial or trinomial, we have to take the highest power in the given expression. So that the first one answer is 2 plus 7, we get 11. And here it is 7, and here also it is 7. Okay. Then next. So like terms and unlike terms. So what is like term and what is unlike term? Like term, unlike term. So here I will write some examples. Same literal factors. Literal in the sense variables, x, 2x, 3x. So the algebraic expressions which are having the same literal factors. And here some unlike terms I will write 3x square, 5y square, 7z square. Might be monomial or binomial, whatever it may be. Okay. So these are the like terms and unlike terms. And we can add only like terms, or subtraction will be done only for the like terms, and we can't add or subtract unlike terms. You can multiply and divide. So let's do some problems here now based on the points what we have discussed now. And some more points would like to discuss. Addition of algebraic expressions. Yeah, of course, we keep on right. Okay. Some questions I will write before. Okay. Here the questions are. I will take the space. X increased by 9. X increased by 9. Increase in the sense addition. X increased by 9. We will take 9 plus 6 or x plus 9. Both are same. And 9 is decreased by y. 9 is decreased by y. Here, these are the sentences or statements we are writing into algebraic expressions. Okay, right? Mathematical statements. And 9 decreased by y. So we go with 9 decreased by y means y minus 9. Next, x taken away from 9. So x we're removing out means minus 6, 9 minus 6, that's it. And next one, take away minus 8 ABC from minus 7 ABC. That means minus 7 ABC minus of minus 8 ABC. Taking away means subtract. Minus 7 ABC minus and minus becomes plus 8 ABC. 8 ABC minus 7 ABC becomes 1 ABC is equal to ABC. Next one. So here one question is given like this. Let's check it out. In 6x square, these are the examples I'm telling. Particular objective we'll do in the next class. Minus 8xy square minus 7yx square. Among these, what are the like terms? Among these, what are the like terms? So we go with the like terms are so let's just check the variables here, literal terms. Here x square y, xy square, xy square, x square y. That means first and the last 6x square y minus 7yx square or x square y. Both are same. These are like terms. Plus 5xy square. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So like this it will go. The next one. So like one more question I would like to write here. Ax square y 2x 5y square minus 9x square minus 6x 7x square y 18y square. Among these, which are like terms? So let's check out. A will be constant. We'll consider x square y. I'll mark x square y. Let us find where is x square y. Here is x square y. It is x square y. So these two are like terms, right? And next, x, here x is there and here x is there. So these two are like terms. Constant may differ. And the next y square, 5y square, 18y square. So and this is nothing. We don't have any like term for 9x square. Got it? Then next. Likewise, we go. Here some terms are given and asked to recognize binomial, monomial, trinomial like that. I'm writing minus 5 by 6, 4x cube plus 3x square, 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1 and 7x. Next, ax plus by. Now, among these, we have to recognize monomial, binomial, trinomial, or constant. Okay. First, constant. Let me write here. Constant term. What are the terms we have to recognize? Constant term. Next, monomial. And then binomial. Next, polynomial. Okay. So first, constant term. Constant term is no variable, minus 5 by 6. Monomial, single term. Binomial, two terms, ax plus by. And polynomial, so more than, everything is polynomial here. So we can say all these are polynomials. So multinomial in the sense we go with. So we'll take, suppose if I give you here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are polynomials. Okay. So this is the clarification we will get. Likewise we do. And some problems based on addition and subtraction of like terms we will do this class. Yeah. Add like terms in. The questions are like this. Add like terms in what is given the question like this. 6x square plus 8xy minus 10xz plus 9xy plus 12y square minus 15yz plus 6x square plus 17xy. Let's go with the like term, 6x square and 6x square. Next, xy terms, 8xy, 9xy, 17xy. Next, xz terms, only one, xz is 1. And then yz is also 1. And next, y square is also 1. Okay, this is different. And circle this. This is not xy term. Do not confuse. Now I'm adding this. Okay, I'm trying to add all this, and then go with Just a second. Right. First x square term 6x square plus 6x square. Next xy terms 8xy plus 9xy plus 17xy. What are completed? I'm ticking. This is over. This is over. This is over. This is over. Now xz. Xz is alone. Minus 10xz. This is over. And yz is also alone. This is over. And y square is also alone. Now we shall add these two. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 9 plus 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 17, 34. So minus 10 xz minus 15yz plus 12y square. Okay, this is the answer. So likewise we will add, and sometimes we will get subtractions also, and sometimes we will get some LCMs, like we also will get, right? Here some more simplifications I will write. Just I'll scroll the screen now. Okay. Let's go this question. X cube y square minus 0.7 x cube y square plus 1.3 x cube y square minus 0.4 x cube y square. So all the little coefficients are same. X cube y square, x cube. X cube means x power 3. We can call it as x cube. Let's add this. So I go with first constants here 1, here minus 0.7, here plus 1.3, minus 0.4. Let's take it out. X power 3, y power 2. So in this 1 and 0, 1.3 are positive. Let's add them. We will get 2.3. So here 2.3 and here minus 0.7, minus 0.11. If we add it, we get like this, 1.1 minus 1.1 x power 3 y square. Now 2.3 minus 1.1, we will get 1.2 x power 3 y square. Okay, so I'm like one more question. The question is like this: x square y power 3 minus 1.5 x square y power 3 plus 1.4 x square y power 3. Y power 3 means y cube. Okay. Now I do like this. Here 1 I will take. Here 1.5, 1.5. 1 minus 1.5 plus 1.4. So just add first and last. This is 2.4 minus 1.5. So 2.4 minus 1.5. 0.9. 0.9 x square y power 3. The question is like this. So one more question. We'll go for another page. Like this. The question is like this. Yeah. Simplify. Minus 5x power 4 plus 4x power 4 minus 1.5x power 4 plus 3 by 7 x power 4. Okay. So among these, what is the common one? X power 4. The numerals means numbers, numerical coefficients. Like this I'm writing. You want to write 3 by 7 as the decimal, you can write decimal comes or not, we don't know. 4 sevens are 28, 2 sevens are 14. Yeah, it's going on repeating. Let's leave it out. First minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1.5 minus 2.5. X power 4. Now take the cross multiplication here. Plus 3 by 7. X power 4. So 2.5 into 7. 17.5 plus 3 by 7. 17 minus 3 is 14. Minus 14.5 by 7. So you can write here decimal expansion 14.5 by 7 we will take as 145 by 7 into 10. We go with 5 table goes on to 9 and here 22. So 29 by 14 minus 29 by 14 x power 4. Please check this once. Comes like this. Yeah. Let's just check it out. Okay, let's do one more sum. Then conclude. The question is like this. Simplify. 1 by 3 of minus 2p plus 6q minus 9r minus 1 by 6 of minus 4p minus 18q plus 24r. So 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So what is the common here? 6 will be the LCM. Here it will go for 2 times. Minus 2p plus 6q minus 9r. It goes once minus 4p minus 18q plus 24r. Just multiply. Minus 4p plus 12q minus 18r minus minus plus. Here we are multiplying with minus plus 4p plus 18q minus 24r by 6. Okay. By 6, right? And then like terms, minus 4p plus 4p gets cancelled. And 12q plus 18q is 30q, right? And minus 18 minus 24. Minus 18 minus 24, how much? Just add this. Minus 42. Or by 6. Separate 6 here. 30 by 6. 42 by 6. And 30 by 6 is how much? 5q minus 7r. The answer is 5q minus 7r. Okay. So So in this class, we have discussed about um, algebraic expressions and like terms, unlike terms, how to add the like terms, how to simplify, and how to subtract. In the next class, we shall continue some more objective. Okay. Thank you.